Hello! In this video, we are going to learn how to use the console panel, a tool that is essential for the daily routine of developers. The console panel is a command line that provides you the ability to write, manage, and monitor codes on demand. Most browsers today already have a built-in console panel for running JavaScript. Let's see how it works. I'm using the Google Chrome browser. So to open the console panel here, just right-click anywhere on the screen, select Inspect, and then click Console. If yours is not showing up, you can click this icon here and then the console option will appear in the list. So let's do a test in our console. We have some information about the code of the page we are visiting. So let's clear our panel by clicking here and then let's write a code. Let's write console.log, which is a method to output a message on our console panel. Here you write console.log and insert what you want to display inside the parentheses. Now I will write hello between quotes, and as soon as I press enter, it will display the data that I sent using this method. In our course, we have an integrated tool that emulates a console panel, allowing you to write your code exercises without leaving the platform. Let's see how it works. This part on top here is for you to write your codes in JavaScript. And the bottom part, you can check the output of your code commands. So in this editor button, you can change the background to light or dark. So you can choose which ones works better for you. So let's use the console.log method to see the output of a message. We write console.log and I will insert my name, Sheila, between quotes. To see the output of a code command, you can click on the top left where it is reading code.js and you will see the output here. If you have some error on your code, for example, let's change here to display an error and you will see the output of this error. This plus button allows you to create some other tabs with new areas to write in codes if you need to separate your codes. At some moments in our course, you will have more than one exercise to do, so you can add other tabs here. You give a name, for example, I will write exercise 1, and you will have another blank area to write another code. Now that you already know what console panel is, be ready to use it a lot in your journey as a developer. See you next video.